Napundi yung ilaw!
Ayan na.
And in the face.
It means check it out.
Kaya rin na lang wala dito.
Ano yung sapatos mo?
Nyor. So guys, kakabuhay ko lang. And welcome to Naga. So, today is translation. So, pupunta na kami sa baba. And, so we're staying here at Uma for this time. Yeah. So, naka-shirt kami lahat. Pakita yung shirt nyo. Yes, yes. So, yan. First time to attend. So, I'm excited.
Bye.
Bye.
Pakita na kami clips.
Walking na ulit tayo. Hello po! Ay, oh. Daan tayo. Daan na. Hi po! Hello po. Ibos po. Ibos. Suman. Mga suman.
Kung sinasawsaw sa asukal.
Sinasawsaw sa asukal pa?
Kaya rin na lang wala dito.
Tubindik.
Mahal po kisalo, sir. Ay, wow.
Yes, of course. Wow, bridal yarn. Sarap. Today is Saturday. Hindi, today, may barangay visitation lang tayo. I think dalawa, and then magte-tape ako for Barda later, first time online. So, today is a productive day, basically. Tapos, manunod ata ako ng concert later. I'm not so sure pa, but that's the plan. Habang nagbe-blending. Yun lang yung gagawin today. Pag nakita niyo ako mag-jumbo hotdog video, huwag niyo ko i-judge. Kasi na-miss ko rin talaga. Mag-sorry. Kasamahan ko yung friend ko, si Kongnoy. While I'm getting ready, stay there. Charot. Yan, see you later. So, naka-ice na ako. Bababa na tayo kasi late na naman tayo. Masakit kasi likod ko. Baka kailangan palambutin pa yung kama. Tatalo ko later. So, quick lunch lang kami sa bahay ni Kongnoy. And then, gora na kami sa barangay visitation. Tapos, magtitaping ako. Sana kaya ko pa. Activity today because it's a Sunday, it's rest day. Kaya lahat kami naka-makeup. I'm supposed to be...
Ako?
Naka-makeup?
You're included?
Including kasi nangyayari.
Nasabi mo na eh. Tapos na.
Sorry.
You included me.
My fault. As always, paulan na naman. Would you mind? So yun, punta muna tayo, kakain tayo ulit.
Pag may merienda lang kami. Kaso merienda namin kanin.
May merienda lang pala, nag-makeup pa.
Hindi, pero fresh. Day 3. So, today may IXPL tayo, tapos may dalawa tayong barangay visitation. Tapos mamaya, kung kaya pa ng time, baka mag-cheerleader si Miss Mar and friends. So, kasama si Coach. So, I'm excited to see you all today. And this is the outfit of the day. T-shirt, palda, shoes. And extensions.
Kahapon, wala tayo masyadong ginawa.
Kahapon, wala masyadong vlog. I'm so sorry. Sunday is rest day. Monday is resurrection day. So, here we are. Hi guys! So today, naglalagay na tayo ng eye drops. Kasi, barangay visitations lang tayo na, dalawa. So, yun lang for the day. Medyo chill day kasi it's fiesta. We have to enjoy. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin namin later. Basta feeling ko maganda ako today. So, ito yung look of the day. T-shirt, tapos shorts, and then sapatos.
Ano yung sapatos mo?
Nyor. OOTD ka rin.
OOTD din.
Beautiful.
I'm wearing my beautiful face.
Tingin.
Uy, ganda yan. Diba?
Tapos, ano yung shirt mo?
I'm wearing CK.
Pants.
Then wearing CK.
Okay, and then shoes.
Then CK.
And then the face.
It means check it out, girl.
So, alis na kami. Yun lang. Ang bag of the day ko ay yung Picotan na pink.
Bye.
Ikaw, OOTD.
For
Today, uniform. Tutuli.
I
Pants.
bring
Shoes.
I bring Pringles.
Ay, ito. Baon.
Then another Pringles. And Chippy.
Pakita mo yung anong brand.
And
Water.
Para sure. Madadalas kasi gutom na.
Bye, ma. Parang ka magtitinda naman. Ginagawa mo.
Day 5. Early kami today, not like yesterday. And today, magka-courtesy call tayo, dalawa. Sa Libmanan and mamaya, malalaman natin yung pangalawa. And then, may IXPL tayo later, tapos barangay visitation. So, today is a full day. So, this is the look today. Swatter. Hi ka.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, sir.
Anong sir? Nakapalda. Nakapalda, sir? Magano kami? Hi! Ayan na si Coach. Babancheta kami.
Here.
Makain.
Ito si Coach from Ateneo de Naga ba?
Mag-split yan, nahihiya lang. Karat.
Kaya magluluto si Kuya ng sambal with lechon kawali. Napundi yung ilaw!
Ayan na.
Samchow pan with alaki. Ay, ikaw ba? Hindi kita nakita. Hindi pa kasi nakatingin eh.
Akala namin customer. Sa ano pa fried rice? Ano muna?
8 sambal naman. Lechon kawali.
Gamos din po yan. Nasa ano din po.
Oo. Ano, sorry. Tagalog muna.
Bigyan naman Bicol eh. Express. Masarap po naman yung nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Fried rice po yan. Nasi goreng.
Umorder ka na.
Guys, nandito tayo sa kapihan de
Capella. Love
Love Cafe.
Mali-mali.
Ulit. Miss Mar, nandito ka.
Ay, hindi ako to.
Galing ako doon, tapos dumaan ako, hindi kita napansin. Tapos bumalik ka.
So, today, magmamagaraw day kami. So, puro barangay visitations lang today. And, yan yung outfit. Palda and shirt. You guys, anong outfit nyo?
Uniform.
Uniform. I'll see you guys there.